In this video, I will share with you the insights into how much you can gain if you invested $1,000 in Cardano today. So be sure to tune into this video to learn more. Welcome to Cardano News. If you want to win 200 free ADA, see the comment section below and join our giveaway. Can you imagine an investment of $1,000 in Cardano right now? Throughout this video, we'll explore what Cardano can offer and what you can do if you invested $1,000 now. We will also briefly discuss what Cardano actually is, where it is currently at, and what it is expecting to achieve in the future. Then we'll look at some conservative and optimistic price predictions. With $1,000, you will have a good idea of your long-term potential or where you could get in the short term to mid-term. I'm not a financial advisor, so this isn't financial advice, and do your own research beforehand. It is only intended for informational and educational purposes. With that out of the way, let's get started with the video. So what exactly is Cardano? So, on their website, you can read a description that says that Cardano is the first peer-reviewed blockchain based on evidence, established on peer-reviewed research. First and foremost, they are blockchain platforms, and the main difference between them and, for instance, Bitcoin is that it is a proof-of-stake platform and Bitcoin is a proof-of-work platform. Further, the main reason why Cardano has been dubbed the green coin is because of this difference. Also, the reason for this is that new blocks are built using the proof-of-stake mechanism, which does not require much energy. Due to the fact that they started later, they're still in development. It's just because they just implemented the Alonzo fork and they're allowed to use smart contracts, and that will finally be possible on the Cardano blockchain when they implement the Alonzo fork update. Charles Hoskinson, Cardano's founder, has just released a 90-day plan that basically outlines the Alonzo fork in the next 90 days. Moreover, the Alonzo fork update sparked intense interest, and that's why you're seeing this project gain so much attention. Then, some were saying that in the next 90 to maybe 100 days, there will be the Cardano summer with lots of action and likely a lot of price action as well. Moreover, the Cardano has already partnered with 2 countries in Africa, which has grown the excitement around this project, particularly Ethiopia and Tanzania are 2 of the countries involved. Thus, it is a very exciting situation because there is a very little access to technology in Africa and also very little access to education in general. Moreover, Cardano wants to be the first to introduce the technology to Africa, so there's huge potential for improvement. One more reason to be excited before we move on to some price predictions is the number of transactions per second. It is no secret that the issue with Bitcoin and Ethereum has always been the inefficient and slow transaction times, and Cardano aims to solve this problem. During its first test in 2017, Cardano was able to process a maximum of 257 transactions per second. Meanwhile, Ethereum 1.0 can process about 15 to 20 transactions per second compared to Bitcoin, which can only process about 4.6 transactions per second. As of now, Cardano hopes to scale it even more with a second layer solution, and then they aim to achieve 1,000 transactions per second, which is now called Hydra. With this, the second layer solution is expected around 2022. So how does investing $1,000 in Cardano today would yield an impressive return? Our objective is to look at 3 different price predictions, 1 conservative, 1 realistic, and 1 quite optimistic. In addition, no one really knows what the crypto markets are capable of. Then again, these are not financial recommendations and you need to research everything carefully before investing. Further, Cardano has a significantly lower environmental impact than Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the most well-known cryptocurrencies. Compared to other proof-of-work systems, the main reason Cardano is considered a green coin is that it uses a proof-of-stake system. As a result, Cardano as a whole takes a fraction of the energy needed to operate its entire ecosystem, as compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which operate their systems through proof-of-work methods. In light of all the concerns behind cryptocurrencies and their environmental impact, this is something to take into consideration when considering Cardano as an investment. As a long-term investment for your $1,000, Cardano is not only efficient, but its mission is to provide the same tools and finance that people from developed nations have to people living in less developed countries. As of right now, the crypto market is bearish and there is no clear end in sight. Moreover, the right time to invest in cryptocurrency is when you have a bearish market, but you must wait until the bearish market has ended. Considering Cardano has very strong fundamentals, you will certainly profit 100 times or 1,000 times in the future if you choose the right entry time to invest in it at $1,000. Although Cardano can provide great returns, there is no guarantee the price will increase, and there will be a lot of instances where the price may go below where you bought. thought. When expecting your 1,000 times returns, keep that in mind. Maybe it won't happen sooner, but just to get higher returns, you may often have to hold on tight since crypto. And in general, it is a long and winding road. CoinGecko.com reports that Cardano's 7-day chart for that period has reached the highest price of $2.25 and the lowest price of $2.09. However, Cardano did drop below $2 despite the market not being in the best condition. Currently, Cardano is trading at $2.15 and has a market capitalization of more than $68 billion and a trading volume of $1.48 billion. As such, if you plan on investing $1,000 in Cardano today, then you need to buy more ADA over time and hold for a long time to make a decent profit. In addition, Input Output Hong Kong, the firm that created Cardano, is supporting the next maintenance upgrade. Furthermore, developers are currently working on the release of Daedalus version 4.4.0, which includes integrations with Cardano nodes and wallets and the ability to unpair hardware wallets. Also, a bridge connecting assets on Nervos Network's blockchain to Ethereum, Cardano, and other networks has been launched. In addition to increasing accessibility, the Force Bridge allows assets on Nervos to be interchangeable across different blockchains. Then, in an interesting turn of events, Cardano's recent partnerships aim to increase financial access in developing nations. In partnerships with Oasis Pro, the network contributes to government funding of large infrastructure projects by pooling remittances from inward countries. And the partnerships between ADA tokens and Cardano are likely to boost the token's usefulness and increase their real-world utility. As a matter of fact, Glauber Conte-Soto, the Dogecoin millionaire, admitted that he has invested in Cardano. Conte-Soto is bullish on Cardano and predicts a breakout in ADA price. Further, the 8 Global founder and CEO Michael van de Poppe predicts that ADA prices will climb higher according to the daily chart he provided. In addition, Cardano prices target $2.45 following a breakout. Then, on its 5 cents 3-box point and figure chart, the price of Cardano is displaying a very bullish setup. And there are 3 things that happen simultaneously if a new column of X's forms and hits the $2.45 entry. As such, an entry signal is first confirmed by the breaking of a double top. In addition, the entry confirms the presence of a complete bear trap point and figure pattern. In addition, the entry at $2.45 represents a breakout above the dominant bear market angle. Thus, a breakout of Cardano may mark the start of an expansion phase for the cryptocurrency. In point and figure analysis, there is a set of horizontal profit target for the breakout based on the method for horizontal profit targets. Furthermore, the initial range would be $4.05, which would be a new all-time high. The current trading conditions, however, are overwhelmingly bearish. Accordingly, the Cardano price should remain above the $2.05 value area, which corresponds to its current status. Should it fail to hold $2.05 as support, it is likely to drop back to the $1.80 trading range. Furthermore, the recent swing high at $2.80 and the high volume node at that point should also be taken into account for any break. However, the momentum created by the breakout may make any near-term resistance moot. $2.80 has been a source of trouble for Cardano for a long time, and it would not be surprising that it would continue to be a source of resistance. Taking this into consideration, if you are interested in becoming a millionaire or at least desire a good profit, then you should buy more, hold, because patience is essential. Don't forget to join the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.